Screw gauge. This is an instrument used to measure the thickness of very small objects such as a cardboard, a strip of metal or a wire accurately up to 1/100th part of a millimeter. It consists of a U-shaped metal frame fitted with the stud A at one end and an empty cylinder B at the other end. A scale in millimeters is engraved over it parallel to its axis along a straight line. The cylinder has threads inside and acts as a nut. There is a bolt C inside this nut which moves forward or backward on rotating cylinder B. The right end D of the bolt C is cap type, which is used to rotate bolt C. On the left end E of this is a circular scale which usually is divided into 100 equal divisions. When bolt is rotated clockwise, it moves forward and backward when rotated anti-clockwise. The distance moved forward or backward in one complete rotation is called pitch of the screw gauge. It is usually 1 millimeter. It means when circular scale is rotated through 100 circular divisions, the bolt C moves forward or backward 1 millimeter. It means if circular scale is rotated through only one division, the bolt C will be displaced forward or backward by 0.01 millimeter. This is the minimum length which can be measured accurately by a screw gauge and is known as least count of the screw gauge.